Hey Tom, we're here. We got the Mako.
Hey guys,
Brought your new toy.
got that Mako, huh? This is it, the 250, huh?
That's the 250, 74.5, right from the Fix-It show.
It's not gonna leak on my floor, is it?
Well, it is a Mako.
All the parts are on it though.
Alright, here's a stand. Let's put this.
If it was a CZ, it wouldn't leak. Does that work?
Well, we don't care. We got a little bit of everything. Yamahas, Makos, CZs. That's Muncie.
Hi, Muncie.
That's Muncie. She's the good girl.
So we just got done riding this yesterday. Everything works
You
great.
guys rode it yesterday?
Oh yeah. It's awesome.
All right.
We're gonna miss it at the ranch and at the Fix-It show.
We're gonna put it to work at the TMC Co. Vintage Dirt Bike Rentals.
Yeah, that's why we wanted to get out here and introduce everybody to Tom Contino, TMC Rental, and always at the vintage races with us. Really great guy, and you should see the shop he's got here. We got to take a little tour and look at all the bikes that he has. This is only one of the buildings. He's got a whole shop full of bikes to rent, projects going on, restorations.
And what did you guys want for this? $35
Yeah.
a week? Or weekly payments, right?
Sure.
All right. Well, that looks like it'll.
That's
work
up to you and the
It'll work
boss.
out. It should work out.
A lot of
fine.
people are going to get to enjoy
Work
this
out
bike.
fine. We'll take it out for a rental and stuff like that. Put a set of rear shocks on it, and she should be ready to go, right?
Oh yeah, you'll be in good shape.
Hey, my name's Tom Contino. I'm with TMC Co., the Vintage Dirt Bike Rentals. We rent vintage dirt bikes for people that want to come out and do the TT scrambles and stuff that we do with all these guys here at the Fix-It show. I'm a retired Snap-on tool dealer and living the dream now, just playing around with all these old bikes. So these guys had this Mako here. We were looking for a Mako that would be a pre-74 that we could use in the vintage class. A lot of requests for the Mako. We have Yamahas, we have Husqvarnas, we have Honda Elsinore, Suzuki TM, a lot of different bikes. But we didn't have that Mako yet for that right year. We have a 77, but this should work out real good. This should work out real good. So we just restore some bikes here and just have fun. I'm really got a real sickness for these old Dodge Power Wagons. So the old Dodge trucks, we do a lot of playing around with those. And really looking forward to getting this Mako rented.
I think a lot of people are going to want to ride this one.
Yeah, she should be a good bike. Should be a good bike. And
We want to thank SoCal Mako also for putting some parts together for this machine.
And Gary,
He's a good guy.
Gary's a good guy. Gary's a good guy, yes. So,
Thanks for watching the Fix-It show. Subscribe, stay tuned. We'll hit you on another one. Make sure you check out TMC Rental.